Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can post multiple photos on your Facebook. First and foremost, open the Facebook app on your device and also make sure you're logged into your account. Now, in the top right section of your screen, you'll see the photos icon. Tap on that icon. After that, tap on Select Multiple option located at the top right of your screen. Now select the images that you want to post by tapping on the transparent circles in the picture. Similarly, tap on the next button located at the top right of your screen. Here you can also find layouts to choose from below your post. Here I'm choosing this layout. You can also write a caption if you'd like, tag people, express how you're feeling, share your location, and finally tap on the post button. Your posts will now be shared depending on your internet speed. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.